Hello everyone. In today's session, we're going to take you step by step through the exciting process of creating your very first account on Azure. Let's dive in and get you started on your journey to mastering Azure. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us. Now let's move on and discuss that when you create a free account on Azure, what kind of package do you get? When you create a free account on Azure, you get access to popular services such as virtual machines, storage, databases, and much more for a duration of 12 months. Along with these popular services, you also get access to some 40 other services which are always free. Along with it, you also get $200 credit in your account which you can use for 30 days. Of course, the usage limits apply on these services, but you also get to learn and do experiments in this free account.